अगर अंतिम की अगर बात करूँ तो किसकी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है? सलमान भी हैं, आयुष भी हैं, एंड महेश जी तो डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, वो भी इस फिल्म के अंदर हैं, तो क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे फिर भी?
I mean, of course, we all wait to see Salman in every film, and this is yet another offering. Ayush in this film is completely different from his look. His avatar has completely changed from his Love Yatri days to now this film. Completely is repackaged in a way. So I'm rooting for him. I'm excited for him. Yeah, so I just hope that everybody loves the film as much as they have loved the trailer. The trailer got a lot of love. All the songs in the film are also getting a lot of love. So yeah, we have our fingers crossed.
वलीशा, बहुत कम काम करते हैं हम आपको देखते हुए, मतलब लास्ट टाइम जो हमने फिल्म में आपको देखा था तो फैन में हमने आपको देखा था, उसके बाद में फिर आपने कुछ किया, लेकिन क्या क्या समझा जाए, काफ़ी चूजी आप आपके काम को लेकर?
चूजी नो, आई थिंक जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ जो अब आ रहे हैं वो तब नहीं आ रहे थे. आई डोंट नो व्हाट दैट वाज, मगर आई थिंक OTT के बाद OTT गिव्स अ चांस टू एक्टर्स टू एक्सप्लोर एंड टू शोकेस देयर टैलेंट एज वेल. Directors are thinking out of the box, characters are designed around women these days. So I think my opportunities have started coming in post the OTT world opening up, and today I'm just happy to have all this work that's in my hand right now.
ओके, कितना प्रेशर हो जाता है जब इतने बड़े फिल्म्स के साथ में नाम जुड़े हों, लाइक महेश मांजरेकर, सलमान खान, तो बतौर एक्टर कितना प्रेशर हो जाता है?
तो for me it is literally I have to pinch myself and say, Valusha, wake up, this is actually happening. I think सुबह में I got very nervous कि हाँ, this is going to finally release. जब हम काम करते हैं तो इसके बारे में हम नहीं सोचते हैं. हाँ, responsibilities हैं that you don't want to disappoint team Antim, you don't want to disappoint your producers, you don't want to disappoint directors, and definitely you don't want to disappoint the audience. But in the morning, I think when I woke up, I understood the magnitude of what is going to happen. This is a song in a big film that has got a great it's a great production house. It's got Salman in it, and I think I woke up today only realizing, oh, Valusha. So yeah.
And क्या reaction था उनका जब उन्होंने ये वाला गाना देखा?
I think when everybody is watching, they are really loving it. Again, it is essential in the flow of the film. We've shown, I think, the audience a bit. We've showed a bit, but it is a requirement in this film. So yeah, I'm glad we are all certainly talking about Lavani, which we have not spoken about in so many years. So the thought coming into this film was to revive this through this film, and that has happened. So
ओके, तो क्या क्या आने वाला है आपकी तरफ से? जिस तरीके से मैं जानता हूँ कि काफ़ी आपके पास वेब सीरीज़ के काफ़ी लाइनअप्स हैं, उनके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
तो I shot for Crackdown 1, and my character Garima Kalra got a lot of love from the audience. हालांकि वो एक negative role है, but people still loved it. So we are shooting Crackdown 2 again. Huge responsibility to keep that character going, keep the love that the people have given me, keep that going, so not to disappoint them again. Then I have shot for Hotstar. We've shot a show called Escape Live, which is a tech thriller that should be releasing sometime early next year with Siddharth Tiwari. So that's a very different character, a very strong portrayal of a woman in charge. Excited about that. Of course, my Penthouse with Abbas Mastan is also scheduled to release. That's a thriller again. So I seem to be doing a lot of stuff around the thriller genre.
Okay, कुछ अगर आपने जो लाइनअप बताया काफ़ी अलग-अलग डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर भी होंगे, जो अगर पर्सनली अगर आपकी अगर बात करें तो कौन सा सबसे ज़्यादा कैरेक्टर आपको एक्साइट्स किया ये जो आने वाली प्रोजेक्ट?
Crackdown is going to be very close to my heart forever and always. I played a negative and I did action, and I'm just glad that again Apurva Lakhia gave me that opportunity and saw me doing that. So that will always be very close to my heart because I feel my real journey started post that. So I'm doing everything that I love. Maybe I want to do comedy or rom-com. I don't know. Let's see.
लास्टली 26 तारीख को फिल्म आ रही है, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से?
So, yeah, well, I just want to tell the audience, please go out, watch it, give it all your love. Theatres have opened up after so long. You know, it's a film that one can watch with your entire family. Go have fun, send all your love. Ayush, you'll see in completely different avatar, as you have already seen in the trailer. Of course, there's Salman, who, you know, we enjoy watching and we go to the theatres for. There's Meena Lavani song. So, yeah, please go out and watch it.
थैंक यू सो मच अनुषा, हमसे बात करने के लिए।
Thank you. Thank you so much.